I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail World, what it do, man. We made it to this first stop and we have got out here late today. I was supposed to be about 9:30. I probably didn't get here about 10:45, maybe 11, but it's all good, man. We out here, like I said, as long as we get here and get the job done. But we already knocked out the whole exterior of the car. It's still a little wet, as you see. You know, I haven't dried it off yet. But we about to go ahead and work on this interior, knock it out real quick so we can hurry up and get to this next stop. If you look at the interior, it's a little dirty. You can tell that she definitely don't take care of the car. Definitely needs some TLC. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, wipe it down. This is an older Lexus. This is probably this is a 2006. So this car is super old. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Work on the interior. We already put up the pressure washer. Got the generator out over there. But y'all already know how it goes. This is a Lexus SC430. Yeah, SC430. So we about to go ahead and knock it out, man. Knock it out. You know. We'll go ahead and knock it out, man. But y'all already know, man. We're gonna keep doing what we gotta do. Y'all do what y'all gotta do, man. If you're new to the channel, man, I appreciate y'all coming through, checking us out, man. We're gonna continue to drop content. We are literally 310 videos the second we drop on YouTube. I'm trying to not beat the record, but I'm trying to drop videos for 1 year per second. Let you know that the consistency always gonna beat anything. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man, so I can get out this heat, man, because it is hot. It is like 90 degrees, and it feel like 97. But on that note, like always, do what you gotta do, man. Like my man say, my man was a state Penn and I was in Penn State. Detail World, what it do, man. We finally got this Lexus SC450 completely done, man. It was a little dirty on the inside. I didn't think it was that dirty, but as small as the car is, you wouldn't assume it was that dirty because it's a small two-door coupe. But we got the car completely done, in and out, wheels, windows, everything. She's actually out of town, so I'm gonna just go park this car back in the garage, get the keys to the concierge, let her know I'm done, get demoed, and head to my next stop. But next stop probably about 10-15 minutes from here. It's starting to heat up. Let me see what time not what time it is. Let's see what the temperature is. It's already 12 o'clock, so like 98, great, pretty good humidity, 61%. We're gonna go ahead and continue working, man. Y'all do what y'all gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you do what you gotta do, man. If you're new to the channel, thanks for coming through. Thanks for checking out the views, man. Like I said, this is a mini detail. We actually charged her $75 for this car. I wasn't even the detail, just basically watched like $75 for this car. So that's $75. We got 3-4 more cars to go, so it'll probably be like a $400-500 day. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and park the car back so I can get out this heat, man. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Detail World, what it do, man. It is steaming out here. Approximately says about 100. It says 94 degrees, it's like 102. So yeah, I didn't give you any glimpse of the car prior to me cleaning it or anything like that, but the car's already done in and out. We already knocked it out. We already did interior windows, we did the wheels, we did everything we need to do. And we're gonna still give you a quick glimpse of it real quick. Majority of the time, this back area be real dirty. You know, she got kids, but we got it here and vacuumed it up, wiped down all the seats, wiped down the monitors, and made sure we cleaned all the interior windows, exterior windows. Yeah, we was gonna get rid of trash, but we don't leave it there. But other than that, the whole car came out fine. We're about to head to our last stop of the day, which is the Lincoln Navigator, which is 10 times dirtier than this. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in the work we do over here. So on that note, I hope you take a pride in whatever you're doing, man. So we're gonna catch y'all at the next one. Detail World, what it do, man. We finally got this last car done. It took me 2 hours to get it done. It was pretty dirty interior, but we got it done. We didn't show you what it looked like prior to because it is so hot. So with it being this hot, believe me, man, I'm trying to get it done. I'm not trying to lollygag, anything like that. Like right now, you see, at this moment right now, it says it's 92 degrees. Feel like 100. So I'm hot, I'm exhausted. But this is the last car of the day. So you already know, man, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Look in the mirror, say one love. Take a picture, kiss it. You already know. But this is what the car look like. We already knocked it out. You see it look great, but we about to go ahead and park it. Let her know we done. Get that head home. Talk to day, man. Like always, do what you gotta do, do what I gotta do, man. One love yourself, and that's always, man.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watching TY38.